honestly, there's no words to introduce our next singer. It's kind of funny how I met her. It was freshman year when we went on tour to Chicago. She was a very loud and, very perky girl, and I'm like, hey, look, that's like me, and because we're very loud, and we started to know each other, and we happened to be birthday buddies. We're born on the same day, and I really love this girl. She's my senior girl. I love her with all my heart, and I'm so happy to present to you Sydney Aldrin.
Sung by a choir and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe helps to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots and toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeers really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 92. Although it's been said